If you've recently brought a new baby home, like me, and you're hearing sounds like that type of thing extremely loudly over and 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 over, and you don't know what to do. Well, first things first, we took a class beforehand, and the man talked about shushing. Okay? Now, there were 5 S's. What was it? Swaddle, shushing, side, or 5 S's. Okay? But the one I'm focusing on is the shushing. Okay? The point is that you can take your baby and shush extremely loud. The guy says it's about as loud as a vacuum cleaner in the womb. So don't be afraid of loud shushing. You're supposed to shush about as loud as the baby is crying. Like this, like shh, shh, shh. That works, okay? It's not harming your baby, it's helping to soothe your baby. But try doing that for an extended period of time. You might hyperventilate. So, we live in the day of technology. And in this age of technology, there's an app for that. The app is called, can you see it? White Noise Baby Sleep Sounds. And you can get it on the Google Play Store. And it looks like this. I could do this on a program recording the screen, but you don't really need that, okay? It looks like this. It has a bunch of different sounds you can choose from, okay? Our baby likes the washing machine. I've listened to this long enough to be able to tell the subtle nuances within this. The tick-tock, 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 tick-tock. It's interesting. Another one that has worked, which actually is my standby now, is airplane. Come on, airplane. Airplane is a lot less annoying to me. I mean, there's something sort of rhythmic and hypnotic about the washing machine, but if you're doing something else, you kind of don't want to listen to that. Anyway, plenty of other sounds. Let's just pick another one. Let's pick a really annoying one. To me. Yeah, that was a hairdryer. No, I'm sorry. I guess I'm a little tired. That was a vacuum cleaner. There is a hairdryer though. Anyway, this thing works. You don't believe me? Watch this. I'm going to leave this video with this unedited, un, uh, non-dramatized and all that kind of good stuff clip of an actual baby being subdued with these sounds. Try it out. Don't think. Download it. And you'll be happy you did. Thanks for watching. Now check this out. It's going to educate you. Bye.
These are his favorite treatments.